Yo, what up guys? Today we're going to be doing unboxing of the Piscifun Viper 2. That's right guys, the brand new Piscifun Viper 2. Right here I have the 2000 series. Going to tighten up the handle and give it a spin. Oh dude, do you hear that guys? That is a good sounding drag. Again, this is the Viper 2, brand new. I've not tried the Viper 1, but I've heard good things about that. This Viper 2 should be a little upgrade to the Viper. It's got a reverse click. You can reel backwards. It's not hard to flip the bell. It has anti-reverse, so that way you don't have that little backwards motion. It's got EVA knob handles and it's smooth. Check this out. I don't know what the price is on this yet, but I say it would be between the Carbon X, which is $72.99, and it'll be between that and the Flame. I think the Flame is like $23, $24. The Viper 2 falls between these two reels, and these reels are pretty darn affordable. Definitely check out the Viper 2. Let's rig this up with braid and hit the waters. Holy crap. Let's get this first cast in before somebody else does. First cast with the Viper 2. Got him, dude. I got one. Let's go. I got a crappie. What the heck, dude? Yo, what is up, guys? Bass and Coffee here. Today we're out here with Daffy Bass behind the camera. We got hooked up down there. Brought us to a secret location. And look what we just caught. Caught a nice little black crappie. Caught it on the Viper 2. First fish on the Viper 2 by Piscifun. We're gonna get the release and catch some more fish. Let's go. Let's go. Got another one, dude. Let's go. What is this? It's a rock bass. Nice little rock bass, but I need a bigger bass than that. Let's try to catch another one. Just tied on the Z-Man Z-Craw. See if we can get a fish on this. Got him, dude. Let's go. What is this? Ooh, it's a rock bass. Got him, dude. What the heck is this? Saw him come out under the rocks. On the Viper 2 with the Z-Man. Alright guys, with that last fish, heading back to see the other guys, see if they caught anything. Let's go. Oh damn, son. Holy crap. I think I need to take the backpack off because it has my camera gear in there. That would have been the end of my YouTube career. Getting all my camera gear all soaked up. Got him, dude. What is that? Let's go. Let's go. It's a smallmouth. It's a decent sized one for here. Oh, let's check it out. It's a good looking fish. This is a good reel, guys. Got him, dude. Let's go. That's a good one. Good smallie. That is a good one. Cast it all the way over to the other side. That guy wasn't going anywhere. He was hooked good on the Viper 2. Viper. This is a good reel for rivers. I'll tell you that. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Pull him in. Don't fight him, dude. Pull him in. Pull him in. Damn, dude, man. I said pull him in. Don't play with him. Oh, damn, so, dude, he came out of nowhere. With like a foot of line, he just came out of nowhere, dude. Let's go. I think this is my first fish on a grub, too. Scary Yamamoto grub. There we go, guys. Caught it on the Viper 2. Here you go, buddy. He literally just was right here waiting for the bait. Dude, let's go. We got another one. Didn't even feel him on. Number 2 on the grub. Nice little dink. Got him. Got him. Let's get the release. Yo, what up, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please go check out my buddies Hooked Up and Dapper Bass TV. Check out the Viper 2 reel. It's pretty sweet. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe.
As always, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.